लिखे? जिन जिन से छुटकारा चाहिए उन सबको लिख दो जो आपके फिलर वर्ड्स हैं। ओके, लिख दिया? ओके, तो उसके नीचे लिखो फर्स्ट एक्नॉलेज, फर्स्ट उससे पहले लिखो आइडेंटिफाई। पहला है आइडेंटिफाई, सेकेंड इज एक्नॉलेज, थर्ड इज ओमिट, and fourth is review. Review.
अच्छा, review. Knowledge.
Sorry? Identify, acknowledge, omit, review. Okay, so these are the 4 steps. आज हम जो exercise करेंगे we'll be using them to finish off these things. ठीक है? Why do we use fillers?
Sometimes we need thinking time.
Thinking time. What else?
We wanted to connect something, but we don't have any
Again,
point.
Okay.
it is something when you are not getting the right vocabulary
Okay.
to pitch it, and you try to replace with your filler word.
Lack of clarity in thoughts also sometimes.
Okay. What else?
To avoid stammering from
Avoid stammering from this.
Trying to frame next line.
Trying to frame next line, and that is where we use this.
to not show low confidence.
To not show low confidence. Okay. So I want one person who come here and आपको खुली छूट है, कोई भी कितने भी फिलर्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं। कौन आना चाहेगा? मतलब एक टॉपिक मैं दूंगा अभी।
Also, this happens when
Okay. You wanna come? Okay.
when
Come,
somebody
come.
breaks your flow.
Okay. Somebody breaks their flow. ठीक है? Okay. Let's hear from him. Put some energies. आपने ये जितने फिलर्स सुने हैं ना, ये सारे लगा के दिखाने हैं हमें।
लगाने हैं।
हाँ। कह रहा ओह गलत आ गया, एक्टिविटी गलत समझ ली थी। ठीक है, तो आपका टॉपिक है द ब्यूटिफुल माउंटेन्स कॉल्ड हिमालयस।
So you know, the topic for today is the beautiful mountain of Himalayas. So Himalayas, we all know it's one of the dream destination for everyone. So anyone who wants to travel, they have to first, go to the base camp of Himalayas. So you have to do a lot of practice in order to go, to even go to that base camp, and then you can do some climbing around Himalayas. So basically you need.
Basically,
So
basically, I will write it down.
हाँ,
So basically, you need very good level of fitness if you want to kind of explore Himalayas.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। पुट सम एजुकेस। बट इधर 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 तो आप इधर हो। हाँ जी, व्हेन ही वाज सेइंग दिस, डिड यू ऑब्जर्व ये बेसिकली क्या इन्होंने आपको कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग वैल्यू दिया? कोई आपको यूजफुल आपको लगा टू रजिस्टर इट? नहीं ना? ओके। जब भी हम यूज़ करते हैं हमें लगता है इसका बड़ा यूज़ है क्योंकि ये हमें टाइम मिल रहा है, हमारे को कुछ गैप्स बीच में आ गए तो उसमें फिल करने को मिल गया है, ताकि इनको ये ना लगे कि मैं चुप हो गया बीच में। किसने बोला है बुरा है चुप होना बीच में? किसने बोला है पॉजेज लेना गलत बात है? So that is how you solve these piece. By understanding this, that is okay to take pauses. In fact, there are 3 pauses, 1 second, 3 second, 5 second pauses. You can take all of this to solve this as a piece. ठीक है? So again, we want this speech now with some more pauses. जिसमें जहाँ पर भी आप फिलर डालना चाह रहे हैं वहाँ पर पॉज कर दीजिए। The beautiful mountains of Himalayas.
We all know, Himalayas is one of the most favorite, destination, or one of the most aspired, dreamed of destination for people who want to
ओके,
explore.
एक बार दोबारा स्टार्ट करेंगे। ठीक है, अब जब मैं आपको 3 बोलता हूँ ना, आपको 3 सेकंड का पॉज लेना है। जब मैं आपको 5 बोलता हूँ 5 सेकंड का पॉज लेना है। जब भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ 3 सेकंड हो गए हैं तो उसके बाद हमने मूव करना है आगे। साउंड्स गुड? ओके, लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम गाइस, पुट सम एनर्जीज।
So, Himalayas is one of the most sort of destination, or not destination. It's one of the most sort of
3.
adventurous trip which one wants to do in his
3.
lifespan. Because it requires a lot of courage, lot of
5.
lot of power to explore Himalayas, and you need a lot of
3.
we need a lot of physical strength, a lot of trainings to
3.
conduct, to go to Himalayas and explore the mountain.
थोड़ा सा और
It requires a lot of training. It requires a lot of physical training, a lot of endurance, a lot of strength to ensure that you are able to do the base camp and then go and climb Himalayas.
Awesome, that's amazing. लास्ट में फिलर्स आए, देखो बताओ, लास्ट के 3-4 लाइंस जो बोली फिलर्स आए नहीं आए, पॉज आ गए, changed in that way. So please grab a seat. This is what happens when we use more filler words. Eventually filler words become कि ये तो हमारी reality है.
एक हैबिट बन चुकी है सर. जैसे अभी सर कोशिश कर रहे थे कि मैं वो वर्ड्स यूज ना करूं, लेकिन सर एक आ बीच में यू नो
हाँ.
यूज करते हैं, और एक लॉर्ड ऑफ भी.
हाँ, ये आप लिख लेना ये. वो उससे बाहर नहीं आ पाए. But yes, but the understanding is these pauses will help us relieve it. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या करना है अभी, विल बी डूइंग अ स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज वेयर विल बी हैविंग 1 minute speeches, जिसमें आई विल बी इंटरप्टिंग यू विद 3 and 5. Whenever I say 3, you take a 3-second pause and see and observe. Just take control. जहाँ पर आप अगर फिलर वर्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उनको हमने रिप्लेस करना है विद अ पॉज. कुछ नहीं करना, पहले ऑब्जर्व करो फिलर वर्ड अपना क्या है, और सेकेंड इज जब वो आ रहा है तो थोड़ा पॉज करना. ठीक है, साउंड्स गुड? ओके, दैट्स अमेजिंग. पुट सम फॉर एवरीबॉडी. सो विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. अरे आप चेंज हो गए? अच्छा हाँ, मैं कहा एकदम जूम इन हो गए. ठीक है, सो विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद यू. लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हिम गाइस. पुट सम एनर्जीज. माय फेवरेट क्रिकेट प्लेयर.
So guys,
हाँ, शुरू में ही.
guys, Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite cricket player, and when he stops playing cricket, I also start. I
आवाज़ तो नहीं आ रही है.
means not watching cricket since he.
इनकी आवाज़ तो नहीं आ रही है.
अपने पास पेयर पर.
अरे क्या हो गया, मैं बात कर रहा था. हाँ, ओके, फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं एक बार. पुट सम एनर्जी फॉर हिम गाइस. पुट सम एनर्जी. और एक और चीज़, जब भी यहाँ स्पीच दे रहे हैं ना, हैंड्स अबव योर वेस्ट हाइट, एंड थोड़ा सा उनको खोल के रखना है, हमने ज्वाइन नहीं करना. दिस इज़ द पीस दैट वी इवेंचुअली गेट अक्रॉस. ठीक है, हाँ, इसको नहीं ज्वाइन करना आपने. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हिम गाइस. पुट सम एनर्जीज.
So Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite cricket player.
3.
Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite cricket player. When he stops playing, then I also stops watching cricket.
5.
And after Sachin Tendulkar, I never seen cricket because Sachin
3.
Tendulkar,
3 seconds का पॉज. हाँ,
because Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite just because.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. पुट सम एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट.
In both the cases, one common thing I have observed is that
कोई बात नहीं, रखो. यस.
pauses are shorter than it appears. So when,
इसका ऐसे कर दो एक बार ना. ओके, माइक दे देना फिर एक बार, अगर स्पीकर को माइक दे दो ना फिर. ओके, जो भी स्पीकर हैं वो माइक अपने पास वहाँ रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, एंड फिर वहाँ से पिक करके आप बात कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज स्पीच फिनिश हो जाएगी तो आप वहाँ रख दीजिएगा. ऑलराइट, माय फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन.
My favorite sports person as of now is Sachin Tendulkar.
5 second pause.
I think he is a great batsman. I think that the best in globally rather, wherever the
3 second
cricket
pause.
loving countries are there, and I think the way he has groomed
Second pause.
himself, he started very early, 16 years to be very, very precise.
5-second pause.
The kind of endurance he has shown, the kind of respect he has for the game, it is just mind-blowing. He continued till almost 40 years of the age, which is something like, very, very appreciable. And I think he played with some of the countrymen who were maybe like, half of his age.
5-second pause.
I think he is very much well respected globally, like, whichever the nation, they play the cricket. And I think I have a huge and enormous respect for Sachin Tendulkar.
Awesome. That's amazing, guys. Thank you. Next. All right.
Same topic.
My favorite color.
Okay. My favorite color is black, and I used to wear all the clothes normally black.
3-second pause.
Whenever I used to go for shopping, so I used to buy.
5-second pause.
I used to buy any of the product, like whether it's t-shirt, trousers. So I used to buy mainly black. Black color is my favorite. Yeah.
Okay. 5-second pause.
Okay. That's it. Yeah.
पॉज भी खत्म कर दिया.
Okay.
Anything else you want to share?
Generally, yeah, black colors should avoid in some of the days as per astrology, but still I'm not used to
Pause.
follow. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Puts amazing. Thank you. Next. हाँ स्पोर्ट्स पे बोलना है. स्पोर्ट्स पे बोलो चलो.
Hello everyone.
Hands up.
My favorite sports person is Michael Phelps. So he holds 28 gold medals, which is 28 medals overall in total. So he's the most
5-second pause. Most के बाद.
He's the most decorated Olympian in the world. He holds the record of getting 23 gold medals. In Beijing Olympics, he won 8 gold medals, which was also world record.
5-second pause.
So that is the reason why why he's my favorite Olympian, because of his consistency, because of his resilience, and the way he fights,
Pause.
with himself.
Please. खत्म. Okay, 3-second pause. The way he fights.
The way he fights with himself. So he says that consistency is required to achieve any success, and he has been practicing for last 7 years consistently. He spoke in one of the meetings that in last 7 years he has not taken even a single day of break. No matter what, he ensures that he practices. And one reporter asked him that why he has,
Pause. 5 seconds.
what is the reason for his success. So in that he said the reason for his success is discipline and consistency.
Awesome. Put some energy here. Put some energy. Thank you. One of the best sports person that I feel my favorite is Michael Phillips. क्या करता है वो? Swimming. When I first watched his world records, I felt something deep inside me that yes, anything is possible. Okay, a little pause. इन speeches में क्या दिख रहा है? ये 3 सेकंड 5 सेकंड दिख रहे हैं एग्जीक्यूट होते हुए? When we are taking pauses, usually pauses makes us uncomfortable, and that is why we don't want to use them. But if we deliberately use them, speeches interesting हो जाती हैं because you can create curiosity. Do you know what is the best thing I like about Michael Phillips? कितने सेकंड का पॉज था अभी? 5 सेकंड का पॉज है। आप भी सुनो, क्या अच्छी चीज़ है, बताओ यार, बताओ।
हम भी सोच रहे थे क्या
हम भी सुनो, हाँ हम भी सुनो, क्यूरियोसिटी का टाइम देना है। Instead of this, if I say, so best thing about Michael Phillips is he has not taken any 7 years, any break in the last 7 years. ठीक है, but वो curiosity आई नहीं आई ना? This,
मैच में जब स्पीच देते थे तो बहुत लंबा पॉज लेते थे,
हाँ वो
सुनते थे बैठ के क्या बोल
speeches
क्या
are
Even Modi as well.
takes pauses, right?
So,
तो
Abhishek, I
pauses,
think there are two things, sir. One thing is very rightly said by you is the curiosity, that what is going to come next.
yes,
And second thing is the reaction time. So when you are talking and I am thinking, and if you go very fast, I may be left behind as an audience. So when you take pause, I can chase you within in a comfortable distance.
distance,
I think
because
that
एक
is
pause
very
दिया,
important. हाँ,
very
pause
true,
दिया.
very true. So these pauses makes us powerful. So this is our friends, enemies नहीं है, तो pause करना है हमने, ठीक है? Awesome. With this, let's call the next speaker. Put some energy, guys. Put some energy. Who's the next speaker? Go. इस वाले से क्या शूट कर रहे हैं? All right. So your topic is the day I grew up. Start करो.
So it's a very interesting, topic I'm going to speak about.
5 second pause.
The day I grew up.
3 second pause.
So I think in life there are various moments we all go through where we know that something beyond our age we have done, something which is not a normal thing for us to do. Those are the moments where you realize that you have.
5 second pause.
So this would be one incident which I remember from my childhood. We were having winter vacations and our exams used to be after the winter vacation, and my father told me very clearly that
Pause.
don't go out and prepare for exams. But my younger brother said that I would like to go and play cricket in one of our colonies.
Pause.
So I actually realized that I can stay back at the home like my father told me to, but I had a feeling that there are normally fights in those matches, and my younger brother was there, so I had a feeling that let me break that rule and still act as somebody elder in the family. I went over there and actually the fight happened. I came back, my father was at home, and then we had a nice beating, more than my younger brother. I got the beating because he thought that you normally.
Pause. 5 seconds pause.
So he felt that I was the one who would have dragged him to play and not sit and study. But that is the moment. But I think that is the moment I felt I behaved beyond my age, showed some maturity, and maybe grew up.
Okay, that's great. Put some energy. Pauses से क्या समझ में आया?
I was getting time to structure my next sentences.
हाँ, आपको एक चीज़ पे काम ये करना है कि आपका जो अ है वो कई बार शब्दों के अंदर घुस जा रहा है.
वो मेरा पहला वही है सर.
हाँ. So this is something which he also displayed us. This is some people have this habit where you add a by stretching the last word का last. जैसे कोई भी हम वर्ड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसके लास्ट को हम स्ट्रेच कर देते हैं फिलर के फॉर्म में, या फिर अ यूज़ कर लिया या और भी चीज़ें हमने अकॉर्डिंगली कर लिया. सो दैट इज टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. तो उस पर हमने ध्यान रखना. ठीक है. पुट सम एनर्जी फॉर गाइस. पुट सम एनर्जी. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट स्पीकर. एक रूल चेंज कर रहे हैं हम अभी, विच इज़ लाइक जब मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ ना, देख लो ऐसे, जब मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ ना मतलब पॉज रहना है जब तक ऐसे है.
अच्छा,
फिर ऐसे कर दिया तो फिर आपने बात शुरू करनी है अपनी. ठीक है. Okay, with this, let's call for the speaker, guys. Put some energy. अच्छा, topic. Okay. The importance of financial controller in a company.
Okay. See, financial controller is the person who controls everything in terms of financial. And
अरे पॉज करना है.
controlling means you have to control all the operations of the company. And you have to come to the management that where is the loophole. And loophole starts from the initial transaction when it comes to the company. You have to check the initial level. Initial level starts from when the product enters in the company. And you have to see where we can establish the control and where the controls are losing. So, as a financial controller,
फील करो क्या फील हो रहा है.
as a financial controller, it is the responsibility of yourself that every transaction which is coming in to your desk has been scrutinized, is imperative to the company, is being proprietary analyzed, and then it should comes in the books of accounts.
Awesome. Put some energies. क्या फील कर रहे थे?
When I was getting the pose, I was getting more words in my brain that I can explain this.
है ना, और कंट्रोल आ रहा था बेसिकली, है
Yes.
ना. आई थिंक दैट्स गुड एंड दैट इज हाउ वी शुड यूज इट. तो जल्दी नहीं बोलना हमने, कंट्रोल करके आराम से बोलेंगे, निकल के आएगा. पुट सम एनर्जी फॉर गाइस, पुट सम एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट
Who's coming?
ये बताओ, कैमरा से मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, जब मैं जो कोई मैं फीडबैक दे रहा हूँ अगर, तो अगर मुझे फ्रेम में आना है तो फिर मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ? कहाँ? अरे यहाँ थोड़ी खड़ा हो सकता हूँ, यहाँ तो स्पीकर है ये. यहाँ पे ओके, आप ना वहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाओ. ऑलराइट, पुट सम एनर्जी फॉर द स्पीकर गाइस, पुट सम एनर्जीज.
What's the topic?
Okay. The easiest topic that I ever spoke on.
So friends, the easiest topic that I have spoken on is talking about who I am. But at times, even this becomes difficult when you are standing before a large crowd, all waiting to listen to what you say. So I think so it's very important to have this also very clear in your mind when you go and attend a speech, give a speech, and engage with a lot of people around you.
Pause. 5-second pause. और लंबा pause.
Because it's your chance to let people know about you,
5-second pause. Go.
to make them understand who you are, and leave the lasting impact on everyone. Thank you.
Awesome. Put some energy, guys. Yes, no, he's a master of pauses. He has become a master of pauses. कैसा लगा?
Very good speech.
है ना?
Speech was very
Speech is also very good. The best, easiest topic I want to talk about is about myself. Oh, very nice. चलो, on the spot thinking हो रही है मतलब, है ना? Okay, we'll call the next speaker. Next कौन है? Alright, let's hear from him, guys. Put some energies. Put some energies. My, huh?
You give the
Give you a topic, right?
Okay.
The best day of my college.
The best day of my college. Okay. The best day of my college. It was the day all of us were standing outside the principal's room and we were being scolded for not completing our attendance. The attendance percentage was, the threshold for the attendance percentage was 80%, 75 to 80%. And I was somewhere between 70 to 75%. Obviously not meeting the criteria. But since we are, we all of us were being scolded. But why it was the best day? The best day it was because I met the girl of my life. Because that girl in blue and white suit. It was a rainy monsoon season. That was the first day I talked to her. She smiled. She smiled. We talked. She smiled back. We talked again. That day we exchanged our numbers, and the story continues from there.
Awesome. Put some energy, guys. Put some energy. क्या फील कर रहे थे? मुझे ही दे दिया, वहाँ रखना था.
पहले ये बताओ, ये तुमने इमीडिएटली कुक किया या सही में हुआ?
चलो, I think very nice. क्या फील हुआ? कैसा लगा?
Like when there was a second pause, the threshold word was missing in the first night, but next time was able threshold word रह गया, वो लगा देते हैं 75 to 80% के बीच में.
That's nice.
I framed the line again, but with the correct words.
The correct word, right? तो अपने आप को ट्रेडमिल पे नहीं रखना, निकाल लेना है, ठीक है? Very nice. Put some energy, guys. Put some energy. आप ना वहाँ से शूट लो, कैमरा लो आप. हाँ जी, next कौन है? Next कौन है? Go. आप ये वाला कैमरा ना मुझ पे रख सकते हो, मुझ पे आप रखिए, जिससे मैं अगर पॉज कर रहा हूँ तो वो दिख रहा है. हाँ जी, alright, that's amazing. Put some energy for him. Okay, and your topic is my favorite shirt.
My favorite shirt is the one I'm wearing right now. This has been, the thing with men, we don't usually spend much time thinking what we want to wear. We just open up the cupboard and what is in front of us. Unlike the ladies in our families, our mothers, our wives. So whatever is in front of me, and usually the plain simple colors which are not very funky. So this is, I can say for today, this is my favorite.
Pause करना.
This is my favorite shirt.
अरे बोलना नहीं था. वो फील करना, वो टेंशन फील करनी है पहले, ठीक है? तभी उसको हम रिलीज करके मूव करेंगे, ठीक है? I think that's great. Put some energy for me. उधर रख दो इसको. Alright, next कौन है? Next, you are the next person. He's like, I can be a next person? अरे सर आप ही हो लाइन में. Okay, let's hear from him, guys. Put some energies.
Thank you.
Your topic is the day I saw a lion.
All right. So for most of us, it would be very fearful.
Pause.
The day we see a lion, it wasn't very fearful for me when first day I saw the lion. I've been brought up amongst various pets. Our neighbors were wildlife photographers. We used to often go to their house. There were several birds and animals, mammals in their house. I had also seen many wildlife videos. So the day when I first saw the lion, it was not very frightful for me at all.
Pause करना सर, pause करना.
Okay.
हाँ.
So the day when I saw the lion for the first time, it was not very frightful for me at all. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Put some energy. Next. वो उसमें मैग्नेट का कुछ है. Okay, awesome. Put some energy for him, guys. Put some energies. All right. The topic is my favorite international destination.
Oh, so hi everyone.
Boss.
My favorite international destination is Japan, and
Pause.
I think if I go someday, if I go there, and I'll travel there a lot, and so the reason of Japan for my favorite destination is about the cleanness of that country, and about the civic sense, how they live there, and how they have maintained their country very well as per the infrastructure and as per the all things of that. And if I talk about go there, and where I can meet people of that country, and I'll learn many things.
नहीं बोलना नहीं था भाई.
Okay.
फील करो बस, फील करो. यस. और एक पैर, दोनों पैर पे खड़े हो ना. हाँ.
Many things from them. So how they are living there, and how they are maintaining their self, how is about their lifestyle. And of course, if I go and I'll learn many things from them, I'll learn something which I don't know about their culture and about their country if I go there. So that's all about the Japan and about that country.
Awesome, that's amazing. Put some amazing. Pause से कुछ समझ में आ रहा था? Pause हो रहा था, क्या हो रहा था? What was happening?
Pause मुझे ये लग रहा था खुद से ही इनिशिएट करना चाहिए, लेना चाहिए जहाँ पर ज़रूरत हो, और थिंक मुझे जैसे अभी मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं थे, मुझे बोलना है क्या है, तो वो सोचना चाहिए, हाँ मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ उस बारे में.
Right. Pauses देंगे ना तो वो ठहराव आएगा उस चीज़. Awesome. Thank you. Put some amazing for him. Next. वही तो हटानी है. Okay.
But I think खुद से pause लेना is one thing, but otherwise if you reduce pause, then वो flow भी break हो जाता है.
जो मैं कर रहा हूँ भाई, ये आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीथिंग है. ये CPR जैसा कुछ है ये. ब्रीथिंग तो खुद ही करनी है. Awesome. Put some energy for him, guys. Put some energy. Your topic is my dream.
Hello everyone. My name is Devrat, and today topic is my dream.
Pause.
So सपने सब कोई देखता है. किस किस ने सपना नहीं देखा? कोई है यहाँ पर ऐसा? No one. किसी के भी हैंड्स नहीं खड़े हुए. तो everyone in our life have any time कभी ना कभी हमने सपना देखा है.
Pause.
Dream can be for our success. Dream can be for our life.
Pause.
Dream can be anything, any destination. So my dream is
pause.
Not only my dream. My dream become my dream when my father see that dream.
Pause. 5-second pause.
So when my father said me one day that Devrat, you have to do this thing, then that thing become my dream. And everyone must have that kind of dream in their life. I think. Thank you so
I
much.
think. अच्छा, I think वैसा था.
नहीं, मैं कुछ आगे बोलने वाला था तो.
सही है.
I can continue.
नहीं मतलब I think पे तो खत्म मत करो please.
नहीं. Okay.
हाँ. Okay, that's amazing. Put some amazing for him, guys. Put some. क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? पॉज करके कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन आया? पॉजेस से?
पॉजेस से मतलब कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हम नहीं सोच रहे होते या हमारे कंटिन्यूएशन स्पीच में नहीं आएंगे, पर व्हेन वी टेक पॉज तो वो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में होते हैं और वो विल कम,
दे विल कम।
या
आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग। पुट सम एनर्जी। नेक्स्ट ये एक्सरसाइज फिनिश करके फिर विल टेक अ क्विक ब्रेक, फिर आई हैव सम टॉपिक्स फॉर यू, फिर उस पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे। यस, ठीक है।
Good evening, everyone. I am Ratnesh Dwivedi, and today I am going to speak on my favorite player or my favorite cricketer player. Cricket is the game, and whole world like cricket after the football. My favorite player is Virat.
जब मैं पॉज बोल रहा हूँ, जब मैंने ऐसे कर लिया ना, अगर देखो ऐसे मैंने ऐसे कर लिया तो आपने रुकना है, ठीक है। जब मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ फिर आपने आगे जाना है, ठीक है।
My favorite player is Virat Kohli because the way.
अरे मैंने ऐसे कहाँ किया?
रुकना, अच्छा। Because the way he play in the ground is incredible. The way he put energy in the ground is extremely high and put all their players, team players motivated and energetic. There is one more thing which I most like in Virat Kohli is disciplined.
अरे डिसिप्लिन से पहले पॉज करना था, मैं कर दिया था, आपने देखा नहीं। चलो करो फिर।
And he also religious person. Because after the every tournament and every tournament, he visited to Vrindavan to meet. नाम भूल गया उनका मैं। हाँ, प्रेमानंद महाराज। So that is the reason I liked him most.
Awesome, that's amazing. कुछ समय दे, ठीक है। पॉजेज आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे,
हाँ,
है ना, वैसे नेचुरली लेके आना है। नेक्स्ट
वो क्या पहले वो थोड़ा उन्होंने बताया ना, ऐसे आपको मूवमेंट करना, मूव करना, तो मूवमेंट वाला ही।
अच्छा, वो चल रहा है, होमवर्क चल रहा है। हाँ, ओके, दैट्स अमेजिंग। पुट सम एनर्जी। माय फेवरेट हेयर स्टाइल।
So hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. So today I am here to talk about my favorite hairstyle. So everyone has different kind of hairs, different kind of style they used to carry. So I prefer very professional and general style which used to wear everyone. So my favorite hairstyle is the generic one, the unique one, which a lot of people carry in the routine lives. I don't like different kind of hairstyle because that shows your personality. Hairstyle is your part of your personality. So you have to make sure that what kind of hairstyle you carry in yourself. So that shows your personality. That shows your that shows your kind of what should I say? I forgot. But yeah, that shows your creativity also. So yeah, we have to make sure that we should prefer that kind of hairstyle which suits us. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's me. Very good. जी, क्या लगा? पॉज से कुछ समझ में आ रहा था?
हाँ, थोड़ा I was getting more time to think.
ना? Very nice. Next. कौन बचा हुआ है? चलो, लास्ट स्पीकर। और कौन है? रजीर का है? दिख नहीं रहे, आज दिख नहीं रहे हो आप। Okay, that's amazing. Put some energy for him, guys. Put some energy. My favorite Goa moment.
Goa. Hello everyone. I'm Vaibhav. So I'm very much fond of traveling.
Boss. दोनों पैर पे खड़ा होना है। हाँ।
Last time, the last New Year, I have visited Goa, and it was very crowdy and very happening. That That place was full of enthusiasm, energy, and we are with the family, and the friends are also there with us. We enjoyed a lot, and that night was the best part for celebrating New Year in the Goa is completely different experience.
Awesome. That's amazing. Put some energy, guys. Put some energy. क्या लगा pause करके?
Pause करके I was like thinking.
और कुछ आप लोगों को लगा कुछ ऑड लगा क्या? ऐसा कि अरे यार क्या बोल रहा है ये, पॉज हो गया, इसको तो हम नेगेटिवली जज कर देंगे. नहीं ना, तो अच्छा है. पॉज अच्छे हैं. Okay. जैसे कि दाग अच्छे हैं. Awesome. Next गजवीर गो.
Sorry.
गोवा ही निकल गया था वो. कह रहे क्या याद दिला दिया आपने यार. All right, awesome. Let's hear for the speaker, guys. Put some minutes. The meaning of my name.
Hi friends. The meaning of my name. Kashveer Singh Mahur. My parents give my name in a sync of my two brothers. My first brother name is Jagveer. Middle brother name is Gajendra. Then my name comes as Gajveer. So this question was asked in my MCOM interview. They asked me what is the importance of your name, and I gave them, parents give me the name, now it's on me that how can I give a meaningful purpose to my name. And I explain them, Gajveer means, Gaj means Hathi, elephant, and Veer means who ride elephant, Indra. So, if I am able to give a purpose to my life and I can drive it through, then I can say, yes, I have given the meaning to my name.
Awesome, that's amazing. ठीक है, आरएस पकड़ पॉजेस करने आ रहे थे ना?
Yes.
लास्ट में देखा कितने प्यार से पॉज किया है, मतलब ग्रेट पॉजेस. आई लाइक द पॉजेस. लास्ट में बहुत अच्छे पॉजेस किया आपने, है ना? तो आपको कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा, मतलब टाइम मिला और ऐसा नहीं था कि इट इज़ नॉट दैट पॉज इज लाइक यू आर लैकिंग समथिंग. नो, इट गिव्स द नेक्स्ट वर्ड यू आर सेइंग आफ्टर पॉजेस, your means you're giving emphasis to that particular word.
Yes, and that creates a very interesting thing. Yes, you want to share something?
Yes, जब आप पोज बोल रहे हो तो सब एकदम से ऐसे स्टैचू हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, देखो वो अभी फिलहाल वो आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग है. आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग है, that's fine. Point is that आपके अंदर को ये फील होना चाहिए कि पॉज हुआ मैं तो भी कुछ नहीं हुआ ना. ऐसा पहले लग रहा था कि लोग क्या जज कर रहे होंगे. I think that way there is. Put some energy for him, guys. Put some energy. Thank you. Also, एक चीज आप लोग ने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, and this is very important. एक बार सब लोग एक बार सांस लो. जितनी भी हम बात करते हैं, ये आवाज आती कैसे है? गले से. अरे गले से तो आती है, पर आती कैसे है? This is the breath. Breath moving through muscles create sound. अगर breath नहीं होगी तो sound नहीं होगी. And that is where when we are taking pauses, what we are also allowing ourselves is taking breath. आपने सुना है short of breath हो जाता है? I feel short of breath. Why people feel short of breath? because when they are put on spotlight, their body says that I need a lot of energy. For that, I need a lot of oxygen. So lungs get me more oxygen. In that, what the lungs do is that it start breathing faster, but shallow breathing. As in, आप breathe तो कर रहे हैं, पर वही breath को आप अंदर बाहर कर रहे हैं. There is not much oxygen which is going inside the lungs, and that is where the body then panics more. So these pauses gives you that kind of rest, and आपको भी energy मिलती है कि आप emphasis से बात कर पाए. Clear? Yes. आपको कंट्रोल और निकल के आता है उसमें. Put some energy for everybody guys. Put some energy. क्लास के कैप्टन्स कौन कौन है? हाँ जी, ये आपके पास ये ले लो, ये अटेंडेंस फॉर्म है. श्वेता को भेजना है, ग्रुप में आप फोटो भेज देना. ठीक है. एक और चीज़ है, जब भी नर्वसनेस हो या जब भी ऐसा कोई सिनेरियो बनता है, तो व्हाट वील डू इज दैट हम देयर इज अ टेक्निक कॉल्ड डबल ब्रेथ. क्या होता है टेक्निक का नाम? तो वो करना है हमने. ठीक है. तो एक बार सांस लो लंबी सी. अब थोड़ी और ले लो. अब धीरे धीरे निकाल दो. ठीक है. सब लोग लो, करो डीप ब्रेथ. थोड़ी सी और ले लो. अब होल्ड करो. आउट. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ. होल्ड इट. थोड़ी और ले लो. नाउ स्लोली कर लो. कैसा फील कर रहे हो? रिलैक्स हो गए ना? तो डबल ब्रेथ बेसिकली व्हाट इट डज इज दैट जितना आपका ऑक्सीजन की कैपेसिटी है उसके बाद थोड़ा सा और जो कि आपकी बॉडी को वो चाहिए, तो यू गिव दैट ऑक्सीजन टू द बॉडी, सो इट कम्स डाउन.
We have a 2 second, 4 second and 8 second rule. First time you breathe for 2 seconds. Next time you breathe for 4 seconds. And you throw it out for 8 seconds.
ओके. फिर 2 सेकंड कहाँ से आएंगे एक्स्ट्रा वाले?
नहीं, first time you breathe for 2 seconds.
अच्छा, ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
And you
Exhale for 2 seconds.
And you again inhale for 4 seconds.
And then exhale for 8 seconds. Okay, that's an interesting 2-4-8 technique also. But the idea is give your body enough oxygen so that it can give you that energy and power. जो nervousness और ये है ना, ये बाहर वाले लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये हमारा ही physiological चीज़ें हैं. You're not managing it right. 2 things. One is breathe better. Second is include pauses.
Direct partner. So, while taking pause, there are 2 things are there.
Okay.
Pauses should not be very long. If it is very long, then it gives a sort of a artificiality to the audience. Maybe audience starts thinking that I think this guy is short of knowledge and he's not able to get the proper words. This is one thing, and let me finish. And the second thing is you retain your eye contact with the audience. The moment you are taking pause and you are looking here and there and you are looking at the ground, it gives the feel to the audience that this guy is maybe he is lacking confidence. I think this is my view.
Interesting. So that is first point is very valid in that way. Second को थोड़ा सा I will say क्योंकि pause is also something you have to internal and reflect also. So that's fine. मतलब you can kind of look at people, but also sometimes you can look up or down just to take that breath inside you. So pauses gives you that kind of breaths which can happen.
I think pauses need to be complemented with the body movement. So why
Obviously.
pauses?
हाँ.
The body movement should continue because that is where the audience feel that it's going on. It's not like if you actually
देखो हुक में हमने क्या सीखा था? हुक में क्या करना था? ऑडियंस का अटेंशन ट्रैक करना है. पॉजेस भी कहीं ना कहीं वैसे हैं. आपकी ऑडियंस अगर बहुत ही आदी हो गई है सुनने की, तो आप पॉजेस डाल के उनका अटेंशन वापस लेके आ सकते हो. जैसे कि अगर मैं अभी बोलता हूँ कि
you moved at least so we know that the show is going on, but
हाँ.
this is a deliberate pause.
This is a deliberate
If you
pause.
stand still suddenly and not even speaking, then like we are saying थोड़ा सा लोग conscious रहेंगे कि मतलब free.
हाँ तो सही है ना फिर.
तो मतलब
आप
compliment both.
अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो करो उसको फिर. That is one. हाँ. Today we are in an era where everything is changing. everything. Whatever we know is changing. AI age is coming, which will change everything across ऐसे करके. You know? So hold it and move it across. Put some energy for everyone. Put some energy. Awesome. So what we'll do is that we'll break for 5 minutes, refresh yourself, and then we'll be moving to the second part of the session, where we'll be covering some topics and exercises also. Okay? Awesome. Thank you. See you in a bit. Pause.